Now in this video, I'll review not one, but all 3 of the Tribit audio speakers to help you make that purchase decision, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos at least twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends. Always nice to see you back here. Now just before I go in depth about the speakers, let's first talk about Tribit as a brand. And in case you guys haven't heard of the brand, Tribit is a company from China but based in the US, where they are very well known to produce good quality speakers with of course an amazing price. And they have made a name for themselves of being CNET's best sound under $60 for the MaxSound Plus, and the other XSound Go variant made it to the excellent value. And finally, the Stormbox was recommended as a cheaper alternative to the Flip 5 under CNET as well. So with that being said, let's first start with what comes inside of the box. Now starting from the XSound Go, other than the speakers, you'll find the USB-A to micro USB cable, and that's it. And then the MaxSound Plus comes with also a USB-A to micro USB port, but it also comes with the additional AUX cable. And then as for the Stormbox, it comes with a micro USB cable to USB-A cable. Now as for the build quality, all speakers had a nice weight to it, and the XSound Go and the MaxSound Plus had the same build, where the top and the bottom of the speaker is made of a rubber-like finish with the aluminum material at the front of the speakers. And then the Stormbox had a cloth-like material wrapped around the speaker, and then the woofer is being present at the outer side of the speakers, which had a rubber stand on each side as well. Now being the smallest, the XSound Go weighs at 510 grams, where the MaxSound Plus is only at 7 and 5 grams. And lastly, the Stormbox comes with just at 779 grams in total. So yes, all in all, each speakers had a nice build and weight to it. Now as for controlling the speakers, the XSound Go and the MaxSound Plus controls are on top of each speakers, where you'll find the power button, the Bluetooth pairing, play and the volume controls. But there's an additional X bass button to give that nice boost of bass, which is available on the MaxSound Pro. Now the Stormbox is a bit more unique with the volume controls and also the play button right in front, which is quite huge. And then at the back you'll also find the battery indicator just next to the power button. And then in terms of all the ports, all 3 speakers comes with AUX in, and then there's also the micro USB port to charge the speakers. Now all 3 speakers are IPX7 waterproof, and I did submerge each speakers to see whether or not that was right, and yes, it did work fine. But there were some articles online suggesting that the XSound Go was more of splash proof instead of submerging it, so I did not want to submerge the speaker, but yes, it did survive some splashes. Now all speakers have a microphone built in, so you can make phone calls or even answer phone calls. It was not the best, but this makes me wonder, do you guys really make phone calls on Bluetooth speakers like this? Do let me know at the comment section below. Now as for connectivity, all the speakers have a Bluetooth 4.2, while it may not be Bluetooth 5.0, but I did not find any connectivity issues, as it was easy to pair by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button, and it found my phone or even my Mac immediately. Now as for the speaker sound quality, here is where, if possible, please put on your earphones or even your headphones, as I recorded each speakers with my Sennheiser MKH microphones and going through my sound devices preamp to get the best possible sound. And here's a quick sound test.
Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time.
Now based on my listening, I have to say that I kind of like the MaxSound Plus because it had a nice balance of mids and bass, where the Stormbox felt a bit more bassy at times. So if you guys love bass, you definitely love the Stormbox. But of course the Stormbox is a bit louder, as you guys have heard. And then the XSound Go was really good for its size, so it does come down to your personal preference. Now let's finally talk about the battery life. Tribit Audio claims up to 24 hours on the XSound Go, and yes, I left it on for a day and it survived almost more than a day at 50% volume, and then the MaxSound Plus gave me an extra 1.5 hours from their claimed 20 hours, and finally the Stormbox gave me about an hour more than the claimed 20 hours. And that, my friends, was pretty impressive. So guys, there you have it. That's my review of each one of the Tribit audio speakers, and with this, do let me know which one of these 3 speakers would you guys get at the comment section below. Now in terms of price, the Tribit XSound Go is going for 155 ringgit, and the MaxSound Plus is priced at 250 ringgit, and the Stormbox is going for only 315 ringgit. Now if you guys are interested to get the Tribit audio speakers, especially if you guys are from Malaysia, you can check out TechX website, which are linked down below, as they are the official distributor and also the reseller for Tribit audio and many other products as well. And there's also even a retail store in Damansara Perdana as well, where you can get your hands-on experience with the speakers. And what's great is that if you guys are not satisfied with any one of the qualities of the speakers or any other products, they will give you not only a refund, but on top of that, will give you another 20% of what you paid for, which I think is really amazing. So guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and help you make a purchase decision on which exact Tribit audio speakers to get, or if you guys are in the market to get a brand new speakers, be sure to check it out. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.